Ka pod wantiere wechego mag kao PC e log tich ma jolweny e boma ma Nairobi, mane jatend migao mar jolweny Eugene Wamalwa bende ochiwo ayanga migao no ne jatend migao manyien Aden Duale. Kolose nyasi ma chako tich, Duale osingo bero tie kod ngima jolweny ma Thurka.
Will be my main focus of areas. One, my commitment towards continuous KDF modernization and force readiness that guarantees the territorial integrity of our borders from external threats and challenges. And as a CS defense, I believe our force were involved in military operations within our country and in peacekeeping missions must be equipped with the necessary and adequate fighting tools and materials to enable them achieve their mission effectively. Number two, I will participate with the leadership of KDF in the full implementation of our national security policy for the Republic of Kenya 2021-2030 in order to maintain our status as an anchor nation in this region. Three, to ensure that KDF maintains and sustains high levels of professionalism, loyalty, trust, integrity, discipline, and respect that will help us to project a positive image of the force at all times and our posture.